Hello everyone, my name is Variana Putra. I'm from Management Class B. I will present about operation management with the lecturer in charge of the course, Mr. Muhammad Riksi Mardan. And happy watching. In slide 1, operational management is a part of management that is closely related to supervising, design, and controlling production activities. In addition, this management in charge of controlling production activities and the process of improving business activity strategies in terms of the product of good and service. Operational management activities and are closely related to various company activities in converting a series of basic inputs, such of converting inputs of raw material energy, consumer need information, company capability, company finance, and order into output for consumer. And next slide too. This management is in charge of organizing all the research owned by the company. This research includes raw materials, worker, machine, and other equipment, ensure that the actual production process runs effectively and efficiently. Here are the objectives of optional management. Number one, this management aims to increase company finance. Number two, has the aim of increasing the company productivity. Number three, aims to minimize the cost of company expense for various activities. Number four, has the aim for improving the quality of the company. Number five, has the aim of controlling the production process time to a minimum. Next, the purpose of operational management in a company is to achieve a more efficient level of activity. This management has several functions to facilitate the goals. The function include planning, organize, and supervising business operation for better production results. 1. Financial. 2. Strategy. 3. Operational. 4. Product design. 5. Maintaining quality. And 6. Prediction. Next, slide 4. Planning is the function of management that involves setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving those objectives. Planning requires that manager be aware of environmental conditions facing their organization and forecast future conditions. It also requires that manager be a good decision maker. Planning is a process consisting of several steps. The process begins with environmental scanning, which simply means that planner must be aware of the critical contingencies facing their organization in terms of economic condition, their competitor, and their customer. And planner must attempt to forecast future condition. This forecast form the basis for planning. Next slide 5. Organizing is the function of management that involves developing an organizational structure and allocating human resources to ensure the accomplishment of objectives. The structure of the organization is the framework within which effort is coordinated. The structure is usually represented by organization card, which provide a graphic representation of the chain of command within an organization. Discussions made about the structure of an organization are generally referred to as organizational design discussion. Organizing also involves the design of individual jobs within the organization. Decision must be made about the duties and responsibility of individual job, as well as the manner in which the duties should be carried out. Next, slide 6. Leading involves the social and informal sorts of influence that you as to inspire and action taken by other. If managers are activity leaders, their subordinate will be enthusiastic about extending effort to attain organization objective. The behavioral science have made many contributions of understanding this function of management. Personally, research and study of job attitudes provide important information as to how manager can most efficiently lead subordinate. For example, this research tells you to become effective at leading, manager must first understand her subordinate personalities, value, attitudes, and emotional. Next, slide 7. Controlling involves ensuring that performance does not deviate from standard. Controlling consists of their steps, which include 1. Stability of performance standard. 2. Comparing actual performance against standard. And 3. Taking corrective action if necessary. Performance standards are often stated in monetary terms such as revenue, cost, or profit, but may also be stated in the ordinary terms such as units produced, number of defective product, or level of quality or customer service. The measurement of performance can be done in several ways dependent on the performance standards, including financial statement, sales reports, production results, customer satisfaction, and formal performance appraisals. Manager at all level engaging in the managerial function of control to some degree. Next, slide 8. The operation function of business is the key. Successful performance because it produces what the business sells. In many companies, operation comes from a large part of the company research and generate most of the revenue. The strategic importance of operation means that an evaluation of the operation strategy is critical. The operation strategy must support the overall company goals, supply operational targets that are realistic, and propose a plan that the company can implement to achieve the goals and reach the target. As the company carries out the plan, it must continually evaluate the approach strategy in the term of performance. And next, operation management challenge include discussion making, resource allocation, and time management. The goal is to ensure objectives are achieved on time and within budget. Common operation management challenges include business dynamic, global operation, advanced technology, time management, sustainability. Operation management is partly responsible for shaping organizational policy and practice that are essential for the safe, efficiency, and short affection of the department. Involves planning, controlling, and supervising and controlling the work of a 16 employees necessary to achieve established goals and objectives. And next, slide 10, discussion making in operation management is the process of making decision about the efficient use of research to produce goods or several operation management discussion aim to maximize efficiency while meeting customer needs. Although not always easy, discussion making is essential in operation management. Decision making can be difficult, but operation manager must be up to the challenge. They need the knowledge and skill necessary to make the right decision to help the organization achieve its goal. And operational managers are responsible for making decisions that will impact their organization operation. And thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.